name is Ottaviano Giannico. I'm a graduated master student from Apicius International School of Hospitality. Today we make a recipe coming from Sardegna, an Italian island. The recipe is fregola con le vongole. This particular type of pasta gets toasted, and the toasting gives a particular nutty flavor that match very well with the umami flavor of the seafood. The ingredients for the recipe are fregola, fresh tomato, butter, salt, chili pepper, lime and parsley, a good extra virgin olive oil, vegetable stock, fresh clams, parsley and garlic. For the first step, we open the clams using some extra virgin olive oil, some garlic and some fresh parsley. After 1 minute, I add the clams. A little bit of vegetable stock. I cover and I let them steam for 3-4 minutes. Once that the clams are open, I separate them from the shell. I will keep just 2 of them for the final decoration. And then I will strain the liquid and I will use it for the cooking of my pasta. I'm gonna cook the fregola like a risotto. So I start from the fregola. I toast it with some extra virgin olive oil. Add the liquid. I also add some vegetable stock and I let it cook for 8-9 minutes. After 5 or 6 minutes of cooking, I add some fresh tomatoes, parsley, finely chopped, and some chili pepper. 1 minute before the fregola to be cooked, I add the clams. Now that our fregola is fully cooked, I add some garlic oil, some lime zest, and I add some butter. Make our fregola become creamy. I do this movement. It has to be energetic in order to emulsify the water with the fat and the starches. Let's plate our fregola. And I add some more fresh tomatoes, a couple of clams for decoration, some more lime oil, and fresh chopped parsley. This is fregola with vongole. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching.